Hey guys, I'm super excited. I'm pumped to show you a way how to make money online. All right, guys, another new video from your boy A. Once again, a powerful video. I'm gonna show you guys how I made uh, over $1,000 using free traffic with this system. All right, first system I'm gonna present to you guys. You need a marketing platform, guys. You need how to learn how to build pages. And this right here will show you how to build pages. You need a contact manager, memory manager, autoresponder broadcaster, autoresponder and broadcaster. So you can do broadcaster, once a week or something like that, something special to team. Text messages, webinar builder, invoice builder, link rotator, tiny URL creator, mobile app. This is very powerful. But this is the back office of my marketing system, guys. You get a lot more training that you can see. And I just got if you erase something like that, we also have share codes, landing page, share codes, autoresponder share codes. We also sell leads in the back office. So it goes straight to your autoresponder, guys. Very powerful. And by using free traffic, I'll show you that first. I made $116 commissions right here, guys. That's from free traffic, right? Using, getting commissions from making pages with my free traffic, and total earnings so far with the Conversion Pros using my free traffic is almost $900. So that's roughly a little over $1,000 using free traffic, guys. Traffic ad bar. Very easy to do while you're watching movies. All you gotta do is click on ads after the timer go off, guys. 1, 2, 3, and then another 3 will pop up once the timer goes down. Boom. Click on another one. Very simple, very easy. And that's how I generated with the Conversion Pros with free traffic. Now, $896. This is how I generated. I can't show you that change screen, but you've seen $116. And this is by promoting traffic ad bar, free traffic, and also promoting the Conversion Pros. All the tools you need to make money, guys. All right, guys, quick little video. Happy Monday. But once again, this your boy A, always giving that value, information, and love for you to be successful on free marketing. And I got strategies on my page for paid traffic too, guys. But everybody like that free stuff. You know what I'm saying? So this video is about free traffic, guys. And the number one platform I do use is Traffic Ad Bar because it's a powerful platform for free and paid members for Traffic Ad Bar. So you choose what you want to do on this level like that. But if you want more exposure to your websites, for example, let me show you. This is how I do it, guys. And this all comes from Traffic Ad Bar. So I can show you. I'm going to real quick so you can see the big picture. 4,000 hits to this link right here. Somebody gonna sign up and pay, right? 2,000 hits to this right here. It's the traffic Conversion Pro funnel right here, guys. So and I can just keep on flowing down and show you all the hits. You feel me? 3,000 right here. This is my thumbnail. This is another commission I make right here. Another business I'm in, guys. Uh, just another Conversion Pros right here. Over 1,000. Over 1,000. And I get all this traffic from a free traffic source if that's what you want to do. From Traffic Ad Bar, guys. But if you want to be a paid member, of course, you get more, you know how that goes. You're a paid person. You get more exposure to your websites like that. And you can list more websites also. All right, guys, another quick little video from your boy A, man. Just showing you how you can make money in 2021, guys, with the Conversion Pros and Traffic Ad Bar. Put that in your arsenal. All right, peace and love from your boy. Hey, peace.